Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And are you also tired of seeing red color or full storage space on your device or on your computer? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple fix. So let's get started. For the starters, what most people know is you can just go to your local disk. Or suppose you want to clean the C disk, right click on it, go to properties, then go to disk cleanup, and here clean up system files. And yeah, this works, but it doesn't cleanse the temporary file or prefetch folder. It doesn't do that. So do that. Most of these guys on YouTube are gonna tell you to go to run command, add and enter percentage temp percentage, then hit OK, then click Control All, then delete it. It's a lot of work. It's manual labor, man. You're not gonna do like 40 folders at once. So here I'm gonna show you a easiest solution to this problem. I'm gonna give some commands in description. Just right click on your PC, go to new and open a notepad or text document. In the text document, paste the commands I've given in the description. It will do everything automatically without you doing everything manually, if that makes sense. After that, save this file on your desktop and name it whatever you can. Just name it cleaner. Save. Now the most important part. In the cleaner, right click on it, go to properties, and you see that .txt. Just delete it and type BAT and hit OK. You want to change the extension? Yes sir, I do want to do that. After that, right click on it, hit as run as administrator, hit yes. As you can see, it just cleaned everything. I only got 1 GB because I did that already in the morning. I always do that. Whenever you wake up, just right click on it, hit on run as admin, hit yes, it will clean your PC. And it can save up to 150 gigs of storage. It can clean up to 150 gigs of storage for you because you might have not cleaned it thoroughly before. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If this video helps, make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.